there will be no more increase or decrease. I'm gonna single crochet throughout my triangle, and then I'm gonna continue single crochet for 50 I'm gonna continue chaining after the triangle. I'm gonna make 50 chains, and that's how we'll start the strap. So this is the end of the triangle, and I'm gonna chain 50 like I said. So 50 chains are done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna slip stitch back to the triangle. So insert the hook in the chain and pull through all. Insert, oops, and pull through all. I'm gonna do that till I come back to the triangle point. And then back to the triangle point. I'm gonna slip stitch again in every stitch till the next point, where I'm gonna chain 50 again and then slip stitch back to the triangle point before I fasten off. And that way we have made the straps for the bandana.